Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure as we dive headfirst into the fascinating world we share with our animal cousins, bringing you up close and personal with the most extraordinary creatures on the planet, showcasing their incredible behaviors, unique personalities, and heartwarming interactions. Let's begin. Of the approximately 200,000 brown bears left in the world, about 120,000 of them live in Russia. And it makes complete sense once you realize how welcome they are.
What you doing? What you doing? Hey. Whoa.
It's okay to be a bit nervous when in the presence of gorillas in the wild. These magnificent creatures are truly our relatives, since humans share 98% of the same DNA with the great ape.
Stop pictures. Stop pictures, please.
That is okay.
You're a good way of with people.
Giraffes are one of the most striking and unique creatures out there, and they're known for being a bit greedy when it comes to food. So if you ever find yourself in the presence of a giraffe, just know that they consider whatever snacks you have to be completely theirs.
Huh? Can I touch you? Oh my god!
If you ever find yourself being chased by an elephant, I'm willing to bet there's a 99% chance you made a series of bad decisions to have ended up in that situation in the first place.
It's chasing him! Police! Police! Run! Run! They're disturbing them, my goodness.
If you're ever out enjoying a casual day in the swamp and you hear this noise, stop what you're doing right away and leave immediately. Thanks, lady. We appreciate the footage. But next time you're out for a run and come upon a trio of these furry beasts, do yourself a favor. Forget your phone and head the other direction.
I was running down the mountain and that fucking scared me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I always thought that the bright orange color of a tiger would make it stick out in the jungle and make it difficult to hunt. But that's only because our eyes can pick up on the orange color. To their prey, they appear green and can therefore blend in nicely with their surroundings. This is an African bull elephant, the largest animal walking the surface of Earth. They can grow up to 3 meters or almost 10 feet high and weigh over 6,000 kilograms or over 13,000 pounds. They can lift around 1,300 pounds, which sounds impressive to us puny humans, but it's only around 10% of their body weight. North America, the wild pig is considered to be an invasive species, trampling crops, ruining ecosystems, attacking livestock, and threatening native species.
Goodness, now what? Don't paddle for him. He's right underneath us.
Yeah. Going under us.
There he is. Look at him.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's both of them.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
goodness. Carl, keep it on moving.
Oh my gosh.
If you come across a rhino in the wild and he asks you to leave, it's kind of up to you to move along. After all, who is it that really doesn't belong there? The rhino or the truck full of tourists? If you just so happen to be in the woods enjoying a game of volleyball and a massive bison shows up wanting to play, I say, let him join. It probably took a lot of courage just to come out and even ask to join in.
Get back! Get back! Let him through! Just let him through! Let him through! He's going to the grass! Let him through! He wants to play volleyball! Just let him go! Everyone back!
This is unfair. They got bison on their team.
Somebody, everyone.
He's not ready to start the game.
The world beneath our oceans is a completely alien world, but that doesn't make it any less beautiful and full of wonder. It's almost completely unexplored. There are over 228,000 known species in the ocean, and as many as 2 million more that remain a total mystery.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Raise your hand if you've ever wanted a pet deer. My hand's up. If you ever wondered what it would be like, it's even better than you imagined.
1, 2, 3, go! Pretty cold. No, no.
Is that a fucking wolf? You are a beautiful, majestic.
Don't let the beauty of a swan fool you. They can be downright ornery. They can sneak up on you too. They're the fastest waterfowl both in the air and on water. This lonely koala was just looking for a friend. Although often referred to as koala bears, they actually have more in common with kangaroos than real bears.
What are you doing out in the road, mate? Get off the road. Get off the road. You can't be on the road. You can't be on the road. You'll get hit by a truck. Hey? You can't be on the road. Hey? You can't be on the road. Get off the road.
What if what we've captured on camera here is the first instance in human history of an animal actually using spoken language to communicate with a human? And before you get going in the comments, parrots don't count. They're just mimicking sounds.
Blah, blah, blah.
Ready to sing?
This brave little scamp is showing these tourists who the real boss around these parts is, and it might be the most adorable thing you'll ever see.
At least it's not a moose.
Yeah, Alaskans be like, what a deer.
What are you doing, dear?
They said the neighbors said this deer was not afraid of the dogs either.
Really?
Yeah.
Need a growl at it?
They said to call Fish and Game or
That's
Wildlife
probably a good
or
idea.
something.
Because they shouldn't be this friendly with people. He should be afraid of me. Come on.
They're not afraid of dogs. I doubt they're going to be afraid of
Come on.
us making funny noises.
I think he's got a bum leg.
Is this the one with the hurt leg?
with that leg.
His knee's not right, clearly.
Oh yeah, it looks like he got a broken leg.
He's walking okay. But he wants to eat your flowers.
Those are my daisies.
Okay, call the Fish and Game.
Yeah, call him. You call him.
Yeah.
Construction in progress. Please call your local.
Does this count as habitat?
I think we can all sympathize with this little fella. We've all been enjoying a restful sleep and been woken up by someone with no real reason for being there in the first place.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Gonna come say hi? How are you?
Look at him. Fast he moves.
Whale sharks hold the title as the world's biggest fish. Although they have plenty of teeth, they don't use them to eat. They're filter feeders, meaning they take in water and enjoy the plankton and small fish that get sucked in. They're known as gentle giants as they're not aggressive and don't pose a threat to humans. What an amazing world we live in! Thank you for joining us on our expedition around planet Earth to check in on some of our animal neighbors just doing what they do. Drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and meet us back here again soon for another can't miss episode. See you next time.